Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be an unboxing. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is going to be a very quick unboxing. These are just a couple of items that I picked up during the 30% off sale. And both of these items are items that I already own in my collection. One is actually a graduation gift for my daughter. She just graduated, so congratulations to her. And the other was just an item that I thought that I would pick up to use just to carry around when I want to travel light. So again, nothing special. So let's see. Okay, so here we are. And there's two items that I picked up. And here is the first one. And you guys, this is the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color Sunset. I have a couple of dandelion bags and my daughter actually fell in love with this style. So I decided for her graduation gift, I would just pick her up one of her own so she can take off to college with her. And this is one of my very favorite crossbodies because it holds a lot and it also is very cute and stylish in my opinion. Okay guys, so here it is, and again this is in the color Sunset, and this is actually pretty true to color. The sun is actually going down now, so the color is not coming off as true. So here we are. This is item number one, and this is the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color Sunset. And I do have unboxings and reviews on this bag, so I won't quite unpack it because I want to save it for her. So the next item that I picked up, there's my packing slip. And then here is the next item. Again, something very simple. This is the Dooney Bourke medium shopper in the clear color. So this is just a little lunch tote bag, but it's a little bit larger than the lunch tote. So I just bought this just when I want to be free and I just want to throw in maybe a wallet and some hand lotions or something like that. I just thought it was really cute and I got it for an awesome price. Here is this item, guys. A really nice size. There's the bottom. Very cute and dainty. So here we are. So the two items that I picked up are the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color Sunset and the Dooney Bourke Medium Shopper in the color Clear. So guys, let me do a quick comparison of the Sunset to the Dandelion so you can get a comparison if you have been toggling between these two colors. Okay guys, so here is a quick color comparison. The crossbody here is in the Sunset and the Piper here is in the color Dandelion. You can definitely see the difference. And now that I see this Sunset, I think that I would prefer Sunset over Dandelion. I just thought Sunset was more of a lemony color, but I think sunset is a lot prettier. So here we go. You can really see the color difference here. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.